Dear students, welcome once again in this series of video lessons for Standard 4 Computer Science. In this video lesson, you are going to learn about a software called Rapid Typing 5. This is a typing practice software. In this video lesson, you are going to learn about introduction to typing, some interesting facts about keyboard, common keyboard layout, how to download Rapid Typing 5 software in your computer, and how to use Rapid Typing software. Before we begin our lesson, let us have some introduction about typewriter and computer typing. Why learning typing is important? It helps us to do our computer work faster with minimum errors. So if you know typing, then your computer work will become faster and it will also limit your typing errors. How to learn typing? So if you are planning to learn typing, then what are the different ways through which you can learn typing? You can learn it in a traditional way by using a typewriter, or you can learn it by using a software like Rapid Typing 5. The first typewriter was invented by an inventor whose name was Christopher Scholz. The typewriter which he has invented was a mechanical typewriter having all mechanical parts. Some interesting facts about keyboard. Whoever learns typing, the first question that might come in his mind is that why the keys on the keyboard are not in alphabetical order. When the first typewriter was invented, the inventors tried to make it in alphabetical order, but as it was a mechanical typewriter having all mechanical parts, therefore when the keys are in sequential order or alphabetical order and somebody who is typing it in a faster way, the keys or the type bars used to get jammed very often. So that creates lot of problem for the person who is typing, and therefore the arrangement which was earlier in the alphabetical order, that was changed. Why modern day keyboard is referred as QWERTY keyboard? The first 6 letters in the first row of alphabets in modern day keyboard, they are Q, W, E, R, T, Y. That is QWERTY. And that is why the modern day keyboard is often referred as QWERTY keyboard. All letters in the name typewriter appears in the first row of alphabets on the keyboard. So it makes typing the word typewriter very easy. Common keyboard layout. Figure shows a common keyboard layout that is there in most of the keyboards of computer. Now the keys are arranged in different groups, as you can see in the figure, like function keys, tab key, caps lock key, alphabets, special letters, symbols, etc. How to download rapid typing software. Now, this utility program, rapid typing software, if you want to use, then you have to download it first in your computer. The way to download this rapid typing software will be explained in the video which you will see in the window. If you want to download a rapid typing software, first of all, you open any browser program like Mozilla Firefox. In this browser program, you type www.google.co.in and in Google search bar you type rapid typing 5 download and press enter. In the search result, many websites through which you can download rapid typing will be visible. So it is better to go on the official website of rapid typing, that is rapidtyping.com, and click on that. The official website will open and it will display the name rapid typing along with its symbol. If you scroll down, then you will see two options: download rapid typing 64-bit or download rapid typing 32-bit. So as per the operating system that you are using, you have to download the appropriate software. If you don't know whether your operating system is 32-bit or 64-bit, then right click on computer icon and see the properties. In properties, you will come to know about whether your operating system is 32-bit or 64-bit. So accordingly, you download any one of these software. Click on the download tab and save your file. Choose the location where you want to save that exe file and click on save button. You can even see the progress of the file being downloaded. As I already have this file, so I am closing this downloading. Then go to the location where you have already downloaded that file and double click on the file. It will ask you whether to allow this program to run or not. Click on yes. The installer will start running. Now I have already installed it on my computer, so it is showing me the message already installed. In your computer, If it is not installed, then click on Next and follow the on-screen instructions to download this software. Once it gets downloaded, the icon of Rapid Typing 5 will be visible on your desktop. If you double click on that icon, the Rapid Typing software will open. So in this way, you can download Rapid Typing very easily in your computer. How to use Rapid Typing 5 software? Once you have downloaded and installed this software on your computer, then double click on the icon. The Rapid Typing 5 software will start. Figure shows an initial screen of Rapid Typing software. So when you start it, this type of window will open. Now as you can see in the window, some letters will appear on the screen. Now Rapid Typing lessons are organized in different categories like Introduction, Beginner, Experienced, Advanced and Testing. In our course, we are going to concentrate only on the two lessons, Introduction and Beginner. So first of all, choose the category Introduction. On the right hand side, you will see the different lessons in this category. Again, these lessons are organized as basic, shift keys, digit keys, and numeric pad. So first of all, go to Basics Lesson 1 and click on it. The first lesson will start. Now see the instructions in the middle of the window. Put your fingers in the base position FJ. Start by pressing any key. So on your computer keyboard, first of all, you have to put the fingers in the base position. Your left index finger should be on letter F and right index finger should be on letter J. You can even see in the middle of the window, instructions will appear how to put your finger. Left thumb, use it for spacebar. Then right index finger for J. Left thumb for spacebar. Left middle finger for letter D. Left thumb for spacebar. Right middle finger for letter K. Left thumb for spacebar. left index finger for letter F, left thumb for spacebar, right index finger for letter J, left thumb for spacebar, left middle finger for letter D. So in this way, see the instructions which appears in the middle of your window and press the appropriate key by the appropriate finger. Here I would like to suggest you that use the same finger as given in the instruction. Initially it might be difficult for you, but if you want to learn typing in a better way and in a proper way, then you must have to follow the instructions. So by this way you can complete your first lesson, and after the first lesson gets complete, then the statistic will be shown to you as how was your accuracy. If you have not made any mistake, then accuracy will be 100%. Now the next step, you can go to the next lesson and click on go on, or if you want to try the same lesson again, then click on try again and then click on go on. The same lesson will open once again. Now what happens if you make mistakes while typing? Now as you can see, the letter J is not typed properly. Therefore it will be visible in red. So unless you correct your mistake, it will not go forward. So correct it, then your lesson will begin again. Try to minimize your errors while typing. Now here you can see the statistic. See, accuracy has dropped to 87%. This is because we have made mistake while typing. You can even click on the errors overview where you can see what mistake you have made in typing. So you can see that letters J and D was typed wrongly. So now likewise, you can either go to the next lesson or you can try the same lesson again. These are few next lessons that are available in introduction basic category. So this is lesson 2. So step by step you will be solving all the lessons. Here I would like to say, unless you get the sufficient accuracy in the lessons, don't move on to a new lesson. Try practicing the same lesson again and again. This will give you sufficient practice. Then you have other lessons like beginner. Again, in beginner category, you have basic lesson 1. All the instructions will be provided in the middle of the window. Follow the instructions and go through your lesson. Gradually, if you practice it, then your typing speed will also increase and you will achieve 100% accuracy in all your lessons. But have some patience. Don't be in hurry to jump on the new lessons. Give sufficient time for practice to each of the lesson and try to achieve 100% accuracy in all of your lessons. So in this way, you can practice all the lessons very easily. Now let us have a recap of important points that you have learnt in today's lesson. Knowing how to type is very important as it makes our work faster. Rapid typing software helps us to learn typing. After installing the software, follow all on-screen instructions to use it. This software rapid typing is only for practicals, so no theory questions on this topic. I hope that you all must have understood the today's topic. So download the rapid typing software in your computer and practice typing very easily at your home. Thank you.